Welcome to AFT 24/7, and today we are celebrating the first day of Global Fashion and Design Week. And today we are here in the campus of AFT, and there is a very huge display of coffee table designs. So can you tell me about your design and your name?
So hello, my name is Priyanshi and I'm from FC Sem 6. So for my graduation project, I decided to make a styling book based on chakras of fashion. So my inspiration was the 7 body chakras. Basically, chakras are the different energy centers in the body that represents life, and from survival to creativity to communication, love and inner wisdom. Basically, it's the spiritual awakening of a body. It's a journey of spiritual awakening. Yeah, so this was my concept.
Why did you choose this concept? As I can see that for coffee table there might be so many other concepts regarding when you can relate to some Gen Z terms and etc. stuff like that. So why did you choose this, very spiritual core?
So I have been into spirituality since childhood, and since my Sem 1 I wanted to do something based on the 7 chakras. So that's why I chose this particular topic for my styling book.
Okay, and how much time did it take to curate all this? Because as I can see, there are several models in several moods and photographs with different concepts. So how much time did it take to curate it all?
It took me around 2 weeks, like 2 weeks to shoot this, plan this, and 2 weeks prior to source everything, to choose the models according to the chakra, because every chakra represents different energy. So the model should represent that energy in a way. Yeah.
How has your experience been over these few weeks, and how has this event evolved you as a person? Because as we can see, there must be a lot of artistic exposure, and there must be so much of stuff to do. So how did it actually made an impact on you?
I think this particular graduation project helped me learn that I am ready for the industry. Like I really want to go in styling industry, so that's why I wanted to do something styling based, and now I think I'm ready for the industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I loved your installation here, and we congratulate you for your participation today. And to watch such updates on Global Fashion and Design Week, please keep watching AFT 24/7 Noida. This is Vedika with camera person Prasuk Jain.